Some sort of Cezar salad, not exact recipe classical Cezar salad, but just out of what I have here. Reasonably crispy still. Breadcrumbs I have here, not croutons or whatever. Moi, as I like it. So no need even for the salad bowl. I'm gonna assemble it, my salad on this plate. Used 1 out of 3. Medium boiled egg, doesn't really matter. A double cream or thick natural yogurt here, something rich and milky, some lemon. I wish I had mustard. Sour cream, for example, not mayo, of course. For me, thank you. Lots of olive oil, salt and pepper. We're after a rich dressing here, so the hand blender creates emulsion, which is very nice. Takes a couple of minutes, if that. And the rest, I just layer some spring onions, leaves, breadcrumb, then repeat, etc. And there we go. Excellent result. Yeah, and of course, last but not least, the Parmesan. Like that, like a shaving. The more the better. All in all, it's very filling salad, surprisingly. Just, was just so nice. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased because I used those terrible crackers, which would go to waste otherwise. The salad leaves. What's your idea of a quick salad?